Hi, you can use the new transform property to ensure the types of the values you are passing. For example, I have a component and I'm passing two values, is customer and number. But in this case, is customer is not a boolean, it's actually a string, and number is also a string and not a number, and it can lead to unforeseen consequences. So in this case, when I go into my HTML, I'm just checking if there is a customer, then I'm showing some data. And in case of a number, I'm adding +10. But the problem with it, because it's a string, it's actually a valid value. So it shows that customer is present. To fix it, just go into isCustomer and use this transform property. It's available in Angular 16. And here you can use boolean attribute. This is a function that is provided by Angular team. It will ensure that the boolean is actually a boolean. So in this case, as you can see, it is gone. So it automatically transforms from a string to a boolean. The same you can do to a number. So first, let me show you. If I'm adding string to a number, I will get this value, but I want to add 10 plus 10 and it should be 20. To do it, let's go into transform and pass number attribute. In this case, everything will be fine. So the number is a number. And the last thing that I want to show you, you can actually create your own custom function. So let's create custom function. It will take a value. In this case, it can be a string or a number. And let's first, if it's a string, we need to transform it. So let's use this number attribute and pass value. Now adds plus 1 million. And now we can use it in transform. And in this case, it just added. I hope this feature helps you. Have a great day. Bye.